Today's focus will be finding nice twist in the spine so we can slim out that waistline. Standing at the top of our mat, find those feet hip-width distance, and then inhale those arms all the way up. Finding that stack in the spine, exhale, press the arms down. Again, this time, inhale, rise onto the toes. Keep those arms reaching out nice and long. Exhale, press them down, slowly lowering onto those heels. Again, just like that, inhale, rising up. And exhale, slowly lowering down. Moving with a purpose, inhale up. And exhale down. Last time, connecting that movement to breath. Slowly rising, and exhale, plant the feet down. Inhale, just the arms all the way up. And then we'll slowly find that connection in the hands and bring them in front of us. From here, we'll slowly twist and reach that right arm out behind us, keeping those hips forward. Inhale, rotate back. Exhale, rotate and twist opposite side. And inhale back. Again, exhale, twist. And inhale, reset the body. Exhale, twist. And inhale, back up. Again, find that connection with the hands. Inhale them up. And exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway reach, flat back. Exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands, step or hop it back, plank position. Rotating within the arms. Exhale, slowly lower all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, pressing that chest forward, shoulders down, cobra, and reach those hips all the way up and back, down dog. Just nice and easy, pedaling out the feet, keeping that breath to movement. And on the next exhale, press both heels down. We'll inhale, rise that right heel all the way up, keeping those toes facing the ground. And exhale, twist that knee to opposite elbow. Find that little hover. Again, exhale, press it back. Inhale, forward and twist. Again, exhale, press it back. Inhale, forward and twist. Last time, exhale, press it back. Inhale, forward and twist, this time holding right here. We'll slowly extend that leg, planting it on the ground, and then twist into this nice side plank. Reaching that left arm all the way up, making sure we're stacking that shoulder over the wrist. All right, slowly bringing that hand back down. Find that hover again with that knee, and then we'll plant it down into that plank position. From here, find that lift in the plank, and exhale, slowly lower all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale up to cobra, and exhale, down dog. Again, pedal the feet out. Find that breath again, slowing the heart rate down. On the next exhale, plant those feet down. Inhale that left heel all the way up, reaching out nice and long. And inhale, forward and twist. Again, exhale, press it back. Inhale, twist. Keep those hips nice and low. Exhale, press it back. Last time. Inhale, shift it forward and twist. Slowly lengthen that leg out, plant it down, and twist, bringing that right arm up into that side plank. Keep that breath going. Feel nice and lifted right here. Nice and easy, slowly rotate, planting that hand down. Bring that knee back up and plant it into your plank position. Rotate within the arms. Exhale, take it down, chaturanga. Inhale up to cobra. And exhale, down dog. Beautiful. Walk those feet together. Exhale, press both heels down. Inhale that right foot all the way up. This time rotating within the hips, bringing those toes all the way up to the sky. Exhale, bring that knee into the chest, step it forward. Runner's lunge. Inhale the arms up, crescent lunge. Rotate and open, warrior two. Planting that back leg. We'll inhale, straighten that front leg, and then rotate the feet or heel to be in this nice wide second position. Keeping the feet planted, find that lengthen in the spine, slowly flat back all the way forward. Once you've made your way there, slowly extend the hands down underneath the shoulders and release that head. Now from here, if it's a little too intense, you can always move the feet a little closer, whatever feels comfortable for you. Slowly walk the hands to that right leg, grabbing on with the left or planting it in front, and then take a little twist with that right arm, extending all the way up to the sky. Try and keep the hips in line right here. Holding for 3, keep twisting and reaching for 2, and slowly rotate that hand back down. Walking now all the way to the other leg. Again, reaching that right arm down all the way onto that foot or in front, either way. Slowly twist and extend the left arm up. Finding that breath. Embracing the stretch in the legs. Embracing the stretch in the legs and holding for 3, 2, and 1. And 1. Bringing that hand back down and walking both hands towards the middle. Slowly bend those knees, pressing those knees back. Staying nice and low, 10 pulses right here. Nice and slow for a 10. 9, 8, keep that breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, shoulder blades together. 3, 2, and hold for 1. On the next inhale, rise and reach everything up. All the way, rotating the arms, pinkies facing forward. From here, rotate that back leg facing the front of the mat and step it forward. From here, bring the hands into heart center. Keep that spine lengthened and lifted. And exhale, slowly sit the hips back into your chair pose. Find that breath, make sure those shoulders stay back. Now keep lengthening through that spine, slowly twisting to the right. An option here now to hook that left elbow onto that right knee. If you want, twist and reach, taking that gaze up towards the sky. Keep the hips nice and low, find that breath right here. If you'd like, you can slowly extend the arms open for a brief moment. And then wherever you are, bringing the hands back into heart center and twisting back to center. Inhale, rising back up. Exhale, bring the hands into heart center. Inhale, slowly sitting back into our seat, keeping that spine nice and long, feeling stable. And find that lengthen in the spine, then slowly twisting to that left. Hooking that right elbow onto that left knee, keep twisting right here. Taking that gaze up towards the sky, continuing that twist all along the spine. Option to keep the hands right here or open them up. keeping that balance. The hips low. Wherever you are, bringing the hands into heart center. Slowly twisting back to center. Inhale, standing up, reaching those arms up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway reach. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. And exhale, step or hop it back, plank position. Slowly lowering down, chaturanga. Inhale up to cobra. And exhale, child's pose. Slowly walking the body up, rolling through one vertebrae at a time. Bringing the hands into heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my class, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.